including all these monitors.
Okay.
So you can see, so Shiana is she led all this project. So she will show you how something keyboards for the students.
How many systems?
10 computers.
Systems and furniture.
20 chairs. So this is the app. This is for iPad Digital.
Okay.
So Shiana,
Yeah.
how it works? See, it doesn't need internet access.
Okay.
It's preloaded.
Oh, okay.
And it's very user friendly.
Who had made this?
So this is a iPad from we have so and
Okay. Okay. Okay, emboss only.
Emboss only.
Okay.
This is
Very
customized.
good. It is customized. It is not like some general thing.
So you can see the Meghalaya overview. So
Okay.
we have shared the that curriculum that comes from the
Okay.
Emboss with the team. And
Okay.
based on that curriculum, they have designed all these things.
Oh, okay. Then it's
It's not NCERT. It's
yeah, that's
based on
better.
Emboss.
Yeah. Math, science, history, political science, geography, English, Hindi.
Rather than this subject, there is a project and
Even Hindi is there?
He gets that, but
Okay. Okay, nice. This is also nice because there are so many competitions and many of the students they don't attend or don't participate because they don't know where to get this.
They can actually, if you're sending
Yeah.
somebody
Yeah.
from the school to
Projects,
participate, they
yeah,
can study from here.
Yeah, from here. Like now, how to interpret, how to use this one, who will interpret this, so all those things, and that particular subject teacher also can see.
Now, what are